this is Lisette Root of Simply Lisette, and I wanted to share a journal that I've just recently finished. This journal was made with magazine pages as the base on the inside. What I did was I saved magazine pages from print transfers that I did. They were so pretty, I really didn't want to throw them away. So what I did was I took 2 pages, full-size pages, and then I glued them together and then folded it to make one journal-size page. So that's how I constructed the inside of this journal. This has got graphics that really, they're like Gulf of Mexico sorts of things. Sea turtles and herons and cranes and so forth. So I also used a lot of little gel prints that I had already made and some that I made especially for this project. And I'm just going to thumb through it and show you what I did. This one says, "Embrace the beauty of each moment." It's got a very pretty hidden face in there. I just particularly love that stencil. "Live in the moment. With brave wings she flies." I'm a little hoarse today. I don't know why. "Elegance in simplicity." Every moment matters. Darling, you are a work of art. Can you tell I love birds? I do. I love them very much. This one says, "What seems ordinary is often the extraordinary." Got lots of little handmade papers tucked in there. Mementos of lives lived. It's the little things that make life big. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. Cherie. Cedar waxwing. Isn't he beautiful? Bisou. And what that word means is a little kiss. Oh, little friend. I love hummingbirds. Let your dreams take flight. Choose to shine. There is beauty in simplicity. Be amazed. Isn't that a beautiful bird? Cherish the moments that make you smile. Where only the imagination can go. Be in love with your life. The evening sun descending. I love kingfishers too. They're just so amazing. A source of great pride. I imagine that's what this mama hummingbird is feeling as she's feeding her babies. Fall in love with as many things as possible. Good advice. I just love the elegance of this bird. Celebrate your uniqueness. He's certainly a unique bird. Very, very pretty. As you can see, some of the magazine pages are just left the way they are. Captivating. Uplifting. I find roses very uplifting. Let your light shine brightly. Creativity takes courage. Great things take time. I wonder how long it took that mama to build that nest. It's amazing. Embrace the journey of self-discovery. Embrace the beauty of change. I hear you, Jing Jing. Mommy's busy. Live gently upon this earth. You want to come in? If I let you in, will you be quiet? Come on. Try not to be in trouble. Come on. Come on in. Come in. There you go. Now, don't knock anything down, all right? You're such a naughty little minx, I'm telling you. Okay. We are fearless, independent, and original. Be you, bravely. Determination. I imagine that little sea turtle is determined to get to the waves. No rain, no flowers. New adventure. Embrace your uniqueness. Celebrate the joy of simply being. It's the little things that make life big. No journey is too great if you find what you seek. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Today is a good day. It's all perspective. There's nothing like a dream to create the future. Stay curious. He looks curious. Dream boldly. Celebrate the magic of everyday miracles. This page is just so yummy all on its own. Doesn't need any words. So textural. I love that. Sun-kissed. Sunset. Embrace the art of living. Celebrate the magic of life. Twilight whispers. Peaceful. Soul nourishing. Enjoy the moment. pretty. Be brave, be bold, be you. Radiate inner peace and outer beauty. Own the moment. Splendor. That's an albino hummingbird. Wow. I've never seen one before. Never limit your challenges. I find that to be really good advice. If you limit yourself, you never know what you might be missing. Paths less trodden beckon. Isn't that the most amazing bird? Oh. Find joy in unexpected places. Embrace the silence of introspection. Follow your dreams passionately. I hear you. The journey is the destination. Yum, yum, is that you? Only one kitty at a time. And so the adventure begins. Last but not least, life was meant for a great adventure. And here's the back of the journal. And I bound it with very strong chiffon ribbon, which I'm quite fond of using because it is so strong. I just burn the ends, and it's very sturdy. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks so much.